attraction we'll definitely use again. Great apart hotel for a holiday stay. We stayed 4 nights and everything was perfect. The staff is very friendly. 24 hours reception. The beach is right outside of the hotel. There is a small swimming pool and bar. There is free parking outside. Overall great value for the price. Cannot be beaten for location. I loved everything about this hotel, particularly the location. We had a sea view apartment and it was amazing to go to sleep and wake up to the sound of the waves. All staff we encountered were extremely friendly and helpful and the cleanliness was of a very good standard. Worth the price. Spacious room with sea view. With the possibility to cook. Money well spent. Nice location. Simple apartment hotel at a perfect location. Very good value for money. Nice hotel, great value for money. It was a great pleasure to stay at the hotel. The staff are very friendly and helpful. The breakfasts were just great. There are a few minor issues that didn't change my impression. The sea view was amazing. If you are looking for something worth the money you pay, this hotel is the one. We rented a car and used the hotel as a base. Please remember that this is not a 5-star hotel and do not expect superiority, but this is a really good hotel in its class. Quiet hotel with great sea view. Would come again.